Getting a place at Oxford, an easy guide to the process. 1. Everybody knows that candidates for Oxbridge need to obtain excellent qualifications and references in order to achieve their dream of winning a place. However, high grades are not enough to ensure a place, as there are always more students with top grades than there are available places. 2. Oxford and Cambridge need to use other strategies to pick out the very best students. The two universities use slightly different methods. Here we'll look at how Oxford chooses its students. We will look at Cambridge in a different video. 3. When you apply to Oxford through your UCAS form, you do not need to complete any extra application forms. However, you will almost certainly need to take a test which will be used to evaluate your abilities. 4. Rather confusingly, Oxford's tests are administered by an organisation called the Cambridge Assessment Admissions Testing. Remember that registration is not automatic with your UCAS application, so you will have to make sure that you register yourself. It is the candidate's responsibility to find out what test is required for their particular subject. Look at the web pages for your chosen course for guidance. 5. Oxford's tests are held at assessment centres. You can find your nearest centre at the Cambridge Assessment Admissions Testing website. For example, if you live in Shanghai, you have a choice of 4 different centres where you can take tests, whereas in Beijing, there are 2. 6. Registration opens on the 1st of September and closes on the 15th of October. Whatever you do, do not leave it until the last moment to register. 7. Note that if you are applying to study a joint degree, you will need to take the test for both academic disciplines. 8. If you are taking an arts or humanities subject, you will almost certainly need to submit some written work. This may be an essay that you have completed for your A-level course that has already been marked. It should not be longer than 2,000 words, although you may use an extract from a longer essay. Check the section on your chosen course to be sure of what is necessary. 9. After the tests, Oxford will then produce a shortlist of prospective students. Most of these will then be interviewed. If there is a large number of strong candidates, there may even be several interviews for each student. This is such an important aspect of the process that we have recorded a separate video to provide some guidelines. Please watch that now.